Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World. And today we're going to do something different. We're bringing new flavor to the channel. Now we don't know how this is going to work out, if we're going to be doing more like this one after this initial video. But it all depends on you and your response and how much you like this video. Alright, so with that being said, forgive me for my backdrop. We got some things going on. We got some things happening with the studio and we're not finished putting everything together. We got a little bit more time that we need in order to get everything together, and then we're going to do a studio tour, so look out for that. And again, thank you all for being patient. Now today is all about a watch face giveaway. It's also all about Broda. Now this doesn't take away from any other developer. All the developers are definitely getting down, like MD, PD, Jeweler, and a host of other developers that are doing an awesome job. But today the focus is going to be on Broda. We're going to highlight Broda. We're just going to talk a little bit about Broda and my feelings and what I think about Broda and its products. And then we're going to let you know what you need to do in order to be a part of the giveaway. Now, if you know me, you know you don't have to jump through no hoops or loops in order to be a part of a giveaway here on Huck's World. So with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get started. First off, I'm not going to tell you what watch face that we're giving away because I want it to be a surprise. Now, also, Broda has been one of those guys that I'm telling you, every time he drops a watch face, it is a hit. Now, this guy has removed the bar. He's dropping from the clouds nowadays, and every watch face that this guy pretty much dropped is on point and is off the charts. Now, one thing about Broda that I found different from most other developers is that now I drop anywhere between 2 to 3 videos a day. You guys know that. Broda is pretty much dropping the same, if not more. I don't know how this guy does it, but this guy is steady doing it and he's consistent at it. And like a lot of other developers, this guy puts a lot of work and detail into his watch faces. So he covers all bases. So if you're looking for a digital watch face, an analog watch face, a dress up watch face, a dress down watch face, or if you simply into workout, this guy has you covered with every single type of watch face that you could ever want to need. Now, I am going to leave the link to this guy's page so you can go have a closer look. If you have never checked out his page, you need to check this guy out. He is off the charts. Now, here's how you participate. 1, you gotta let me know what watch face have you ever downloaded from Broda. I need to know the name. 2, tell me which watch face from Broda have you ever seen and or downloaded that is your favorite. And number 3, very simple. All you gotta do is simply hit the like button down below. Now we're trying to make history. We want to try to get at least 500 likes on this video. So if you want to support the channel, hit the like button before you leave. Matter of fact, hit the like button now. Even if you don't like the video, support. It's all about supporting other people. So hit the like button anyway. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this quick video. You know how to participate. Thank you for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And again, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.